Guwahati-based Sarvodaya Trust is one of the largest voluntary organizations among Gandhian international trusts globally. On 2nd of August, Padmashree Dhoneswar Engti was invited at its head office as a guest of honor at Guwahati. Sarvodaya Trust is a Guwahati-based voluntary organization under Gandhian International Trust to fulfill the aspirations of Mahatma Gandhi's vision in providing charitable services to orphanage, widowed, and to people below poverty line. Kasturba Gandhi School and Sarania Ashram at Guwahati are a living example of such services. Padmashree Dhoneswar Engti was welcomed as a guest of honor at the Sarvodaya Trust at Guwahati on 2nd of August for bringing laurels to Assam, Karbi Anglong, and Northeast India as a whole. Padmashree Dhoneswar Engti interacted with the members and exchanged his ideas and vision with Guwahati-based voluntary organization. It was informed that the organization had discussed about their future goals, adopted new resolutions to proceed and achieve more heights in the days to come. Bikram Tiron's report for Karbi Anglong Live.